Wow, what is going on YouTube? I'm going to say welcome to my channel. I'm going to say my name's Dan and I'm woodturning in Wales. And one of the reasons why I wanted to jump onto this platform is to try to educate and inspire people into the woodturning craft. I'm going to say I started woodturning on a small mini Axminster lathe, and then I've had the opportunity to work on things like the Coroner Herald, which is here, and I've also worked on the Union Graduate, which is a great lathe. I was going to say, but one of the reasons why I want to jump on this platform is because when I first started woodturning, I became very overwhelmed about what kind of tools do I need, what kind of lathe is the best, what kind of is the best lathe to buy. And so there were so many things which kind of went over my head, whether or not I needed traditional tools, whether or not I needed to use carbide, what tools do what basically. And not only that, what kind of safety things do I need to consider. So basically, a lot of the things I'm covering on this channel, so down from tool placement, tool technique, etc. Now, every woodturner has got their own technique, their own particular style. So when you do meet these woodturners, everybody's going to have their own particular technique and particular style to what they turn, whether or not that's pens, bowls, vases, platters, etc. Whether or not you do epoxy resin or you just stick to wood, etc. But this is some of the content I'm going to be covering basically. If you've got any questions, as I said, I'd love to hear from you all, whether or not you've been turning for 5 minutes, whether you've been turning for 5 years. I'd love to hear from you all. And like I said, my name's Dan. I am the woodturner based in Wales. And but yeah, I was going to say, hopefully I shall see you back on the other side. But if that kind of content is any use or any help to you guys and girls and woodturners, etc., if you want to know more or you just want to watch woodturning or you get inspired by that kind of stuff, then say I'd also love to hear from you. I was going to say, but hopefully you'll like, comment and subscribe, because that always helps the channel and the algorithm. And hopefully we'll leave it there, and I shall see you next time. But if you've got any questions, let me know and I'll try and help out as many people as I can, whether or not you're looking for the first lathe, or whether or not you're looking at particular tools, whether or not you're looking at particular things like epoxy and what type of wood to avoid and what type of wood to turn. But let's leave it there, and hopefully I shall see you all back on the other side. But thanks for watching. Take care.